नमस्ते विद्या, खुश रहिए. I GV Muskan Kumari from the Department of Science and Technology, and I'm working here as an assistant professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University and Faculty of Education and Methodology. So today I will discuss the basic introduction towards the IP addressing. Just before starting this session, I just want to conclude some things about the previous session that I have discussed about the physical layer, data link layer, their protocols, and also have discussed a little bit about the networking layer. So this IP addressing is basically related to the network layer. So you have the basic knowledge about the network layer before starting this session. Clear? So which I hope that you all have already studied from the previous session. Clear? So today I will discuss the basic things about your IP addressing, what is the IP address, and how we are dividing the host and network address via that particular IP addressing, isn't it? And how we will convert the IP address into the binary value, decimal to binary. Clear? So we will discuss these all things points into this session. Clear? So to make it an easy way to understanding to all of you, I am just going to share the files which I have created for you. Clear? So hold one minute. Here, this one is the files which basically express you the IP addressing. So this document is basically the basic provides you the basic informations needed in the order to configure your routers for the routing IP. Isn't it? How address are broken into multiple parts, and how the subnetting works. You also learn that how to assign the interface or on the router and IP address with a unique subnetting. Clear? So there are many more examples included in order to help tie everything together. So before starting this session, IP addressing, I just want to express some words, terminology which is included in the discussion of the IP address. So, what do you mean by the address? What do you mean by subnet? What is the subnet masking? What is the interface? Clear? So, address the unique number ID assigned to one host or interface in a network. And if you talk about the subnet, a portion of network that shares a particular subnet address, and subnet masking, a 32-bit combination used to describe which portion of an address refers to the subnet and which part refers to the host part. Clear? So now, what is the interface? Interface is just like a network connections or connectivity of the network. Clear? So now, if you talk about the understanding of IP address, so IP address is just in order to use the uniquely identified device or on the IP network. There is a address which is made up of 32 bits, which can be divisible into the network portion and the host portions, isn't it? So with the help of subnet masking, this is possibility of dividing that IP address into the subnet host and network host. And 32-bit binary bits are broken into the 4 octets. First octet contains the 8 bit. Each octet is converted into decimal and separated by a period, or you can say that dot. Isn't it? For this reason, IP address is said to be expressed into the dot decimal value, dot decimal format. Isn't the value is in octet also ranges from 0 to 255. So this is the binary conversion of 0, and this is the conversion of the binary value of 255. Now, if the binary octet, if we talk about the binary octet, so to the binary octet converted to decimal, the rightmost bit, the least significant bit of an octet holds the 2 to the power 0. The bit just to the left of the whole of a value is 2 to the power. Clear? This continues until the leftmost bit or the most significant bit, which holds a value of 2 to the power 7. So if all binary bits are a 1, the decimal value equivalent would be 255 as shown here. Clear? So you can say here this is the just binary value of 251. If you are converting this 2 to power 0 into 1 plus 2 to power 1 into 1 plus 2 to power 2 into 1 plus 2 to power 3 into 1 plus 2 to power 4 2 to power 5 plus 2 to power 6 into 1 plus 2 to power 7 into 1. So this is calculated like this one's value, and whenever you are adding these all values, then you will take the 255. Okay, so here is a sample octet conversion. Mean not all for the bits are said to be 1. Suppose if there is this type of bits, then the value of this one 2 to power 0 into 1 into 1, 2 to power 1 into 0 0. This all goes to 0, 2 to power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 2 to power 6. 2 to power 6 into 1 is going to be 64, and when you are adding these all the values, then you can get the 65. Clear? So this type you can use the multiple RP addresses, and when you are converting the decimal value into the binary or the binary into the decimal, then you can easily convert that. So you can also say that the IP address is just like a logical identifier for an interface for the connectivity of to the internet that is connected to the network, and two versions of IP addresses currently now using in use. One is your IPv4 and second one is the IPv6. And when we talk about the IPv4 address, then an IP address is a 32-bit identifier that uniquely identifies an endpoint on an IP network. And if we are remembering about the 32-bit IP address, would be a nightmare. So the address is represented as a dotted decimal notation. Clear? So 32 bits are grouped into the 4 octets having the 8 bits in each octet. Secondly, the IP address is also represented in the dotted decimal notations, meaning the 4 octets are separated by the dotted value or decimal in between them. So, which is read as a dot while reading the IP addresses. Clear? Thirdly, the octet are converted into the decimal number for easier identifications, and IP address takes the form ABCD. Clear? You are using the IP address A, IP address B, IP address C, IP address D, and IP address E also, but mostly for is basically used IP address ABCD. So you can see here that 32 bits you can represent this by the this one's IPv4 notations. There may be the 4 octets. You are containing the 8 bits in one octet, isn't it? So there are 4 octets, and dotted notation are defined here in each between each octets, and dotted decimal is converted into the decimal values will be here. Like example 32 bit, this ones you are converted 88 bits into the one octet and place the dot value also, and you are converting this binary into the decimal value. Okay, so the IP address is the logical addresses for the network layer or of the host connected to also the network. And note that the interface of the host IP address, and it is a host has two interfaces connected to the different networks. It will be have two different IP address, one for the interfaces, and host may also have the address for the logical interface, which is different to the physical interface. Example, most of the devices which is on the network and different from the physical address, isn't it? At the most devices on the network will have the logical interface configured as a loop back interface. Clear? So this is purely the logical interface with no physical interface mapping. So this is done by identifying the devices on the network through the logical address interfaces. Clear? If you talk about the IP address is a logical address, so it is easy to build a hierarchy of in the addressing mode or a schema which is required for routing the packets from source to the destination or from one network to another network. All interfaces which are connected on one network have the common network that is logical identifier for the network. So this network number is embedded in the IP address itself and can be divided from the IP address using the network mask. Okay. So now, if you talk about the 32 bit of IP address are divided into two parts: the network bit on which is on the left side and the host bit which is on the right side. Clear? So this is in 16 bit from the starting of the IP address. 16 bit is denoted as the network bit, and the 16 bit last from the last is denoted as the host bit. Okay, so the number of bits are denoted into the network bit is represented by the value called the network mask, and the network mask is denoted by a number between 1 to 32 or sign. This is the appended to the IP address is dotted decimal notations. And for example, since the number of network bits in the preceding example is 60, the IP address will be written as like 166.7.75.229.22 slash 16 either 22 or 16. This means that IP address this and network mask is a slash 16. Okay, one second. Sometimes the network mask is also represented as the dot decimal notations. To get the dot decimal notations of the network mask, write the first 10 bits in the 32 bits as 1 and the remaining trailing bits as 0. Then converting the resultant 32 bit into the dotted decimal notations, we use the method shown in the following figure to convert the network mask of 16 into the dotted decimal notations. Clear? So now here is you can see that the network mask is slash 16, network bits equals to 16, host bit equals to 32 minus 16, so there is 16. Clear? If we look only at the network bit and replace all the host bit with a 0, the resultant of 32-bit representation is called a network identifier. For example, IP address example have considered the earlier and assuming the network mask is 16, the network identifier is as derived in the following figure. Clear? So this is the all about your the network bits, and this is the host bit which is containing the 16 bit, and here this is also containing the 16 bit, and replacing the host bit by A0 network identifier is this one dot 000. Okay, because we are placing the 0 as a host bit. Clear? So this will be like when you are converting this into the decimal value, then this will be 166.75.0.0. Clear? So the network identifier also derived from the masking the IP address with the network host or network mask in the dotted decimal notations. To mask the IP address with the subnet masking, just do a logical AND operations bit by bit for the 32-bit. Note that logical AND between a binary 1 and binary X is X always itself, and the result of the AND operation between binary 0 and the binary X is 0 always. Okay, if you are taking the binary operations of 1 and X binary, then the result will be X, and if you are operating the binary value and operations of binary value 0 with binary x, then it will be 0 always. Okay, so here you can see that IP address is just like this one. Network mask is the 16, network mask is converted here like suppose this one. Okay, so IP address bits are these things, and okay, so IP address you are denoted this by the in the decimal value binary value here, and masking bit is what masking bit is this one, network mask bit is this one, and you are performing the AND operations between this one, so the network ID is this one. Okay, whenever you are performing the AND operation in one and binary of x, then it will be always 1. When you are performing the binary AND operation of binary 0 with any x, either it will be 0 or 1, then it will be always 0. So upon this methods, this is resultant is comes here, that is known as the network ID. Clear? And that network ID is converted into the decimal value which is 1. So this is all about the things which is explained here for this one's clear. So and this one is also the similar as that things clear. So one is all hosts in the same layer third, which is the network layer, have the same network IP ID. Therefore, if the network has a mask of n, the first n bit of IP address are the network bit. The remaining 32 n bits out of 32 bit of the IPv4 address represented the host part of the address. Since the IP address are unique in a subnet, the maximum number of host addresses to keep power 32 minus n. The first and last address of the range have a special purpose. The first address will be where all the host bits are 0, and we discussed the earlier this number represents the network identifier for the network. And if we are talking about the host bit of the IP address, that is said to be 1, and we will get the address that is called the IP broadcasting address and I broadcast ID for the network, and which is represented the collection of hosts and the interfaces on the network. So the maximum number of hosts or the interface on a subnet is 2 to the power 32 minus n minus 2. The following examples are the IPv4. Suppose here with the IP address, and this is the IP address conversion of the binary value, and we are using the subnet masking list 255.255.0.0, and the network ID is this one. Whenever you are performing the AND operation between IP address and subnet mask, then the network ID is this one, and broadcast ID is same as the network ID. Broadcast ID will be the your first is the network ID for the network host, and the host ID is will be 255. This one as the reverse order. Okay, so network ID whenever you are come transforming this one value into the decimal value, this will be this one, and the network ID will be this one. Clear? Okay, I hope you will get this session very carefully and you will understand all the things which I have discussed today in this session. Okay, in case if you have any problem regarding this session, then please drop your query into the your comment section box, through which I will discuss your query in the next session with briefly and deeply. And students, please read this session also from the multiple referred standard book, and also use the multiple open access websites through which you can get the valuable contents and the very informative contents also. Clear? So be prepared for this session. If any questions arises from this one, like what do you mean by the network IP addressing, what is the subnet masking, isn't it? Can you explain a subnet masking, or what is the network bit, what is the host bit, define these all the things. Then you have to also one example will be from here, this will be also given to you, so you must have done that questions whatever will arises from this session. Clear? And be prepared for the next session, in which I will discuss about the classes of the IP address, in which we will discuss the class A, class B, C, and D. Okay, thank you.